guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video I will be cooking an amazing traditional Bangladeshi fish curry. The fish I have chosen to use this week is called the Rohu Mach, which is being marinated with some turmeric, some chili powder and a bit of salt, and it's going to give it some additional flavour when we cook the curry. So we've got all our ingredients here. Don't forget the ingredients, description and the instructions how to cook will be listed below. So we've got about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We've got our curry powders, well we've got spices here. We've got 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 turmeric powder, 1 chilli powder, 1 coriander and 1 Kashmiri red chilli powder, and again these are all teaspoons. We've got 2 finely medium diced onion, and we've also got our tomatoes, coriander and some chilies. Having said that guys, that's our ingredients for our fish recipe today, so let's go ahead and cook that for us. Okay guys, so what we're going to do first of all is add our oil to the pan. As I'm cooking a fish recipe today, I've chosen to use mustard oil. Find using mustard oil with fish is, it makes the flavours really enhanced. So if you want to use mustard oil you can do, if not you can just use regular cooking oil. The trick with the mustard oil is to, once you've added the mustard oil into the pan, to make sure you get the oil piping hot. So let's add our oil in. About 2.5 chef spoon of oil. Okay, I'm just going to leave that on high heat now for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, this oil for our fish recipe is smoking hot. So what I'm going to do now is add our onion in first. Just be careful because onion is going to be hot, very smoky. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put the heat back up and then now just let the onion just get softened for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, it's been about a couple of minutes since I put the onion in, and as you can see the onions have started to become soft, so I'm going to add my garlic in here. As well as our salt. I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons. The reason I put the heat on low is because when I'm talking to you, you can hear me better, so I'm just going to put the heat back up high. Okay guys, I'm just going to leave that to cook. I'm going to put the lid on and I'm just going to wait for the onions to get really soft along with the garlic as well. Just going to leave it on low heat now, and then I'll probably grab myself a drink, so I'll come back and see it in a few minutes. If you do that, obviously make sure you stir as well every now and again. Okay guys, so this has been about 6 to 7 minutes now. As you can see, all the onion and that gone really soft. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our spices. Now this part's the, again, crucial part, is that we really want to cook our spices well. So I'm going to put the heat on medium to high, and I'm really going to cook the spice out. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes, and what you would do as soon as it starts sticking to the pan, what you're going to do is add some water and cook the spices out again. As you can see, the spice is cooking really well, so we're going to add some water. And this is the process that's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Each time the water dries up, add another half a cup of water and just keep making this. This is the fish masala, so this is going to be amazing. The more you cook the spices together as we're doing, the flavours will be more better for you. So we're just going to put the heat back to high, and we're going to let the water evaporate, then we're going to add more water on it again. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes where we've been cooking our fish masala, so it's time to get our fish in there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cook this on medium heat, and again similar process. We're going to add some more water, let that cook out, and then when it dries up, add more. It's been a couple of minutes since the fish has been cooking in the sauna. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? It's going to taste absolutely fantastic. What we're going to do now, we're going to add 1 cup of hot water. And again, keep it on medium heat. Same process, we're going to let this water evaporate, and then we're going to do it again. There we go. So it's been about 5 minutes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add 2 cups of hot water. Gentle stir, going to leave that on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes while the fish cooks. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes now. It smells absolutely amazing. Just going to add in our tomatoes now. And that's it, this is our fish recipe done. We're just gonna let this all simmer now for about another 10 minutes and then it's all good to eat, guys. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes or so since it's been simmering away. This smells absolutely delicious. Can't wait to start eating this now. Right, so this is our traditional Bangladeshi Rohu Mach recipe, which is a fish curry recipe. If you want more sauce, guys, add more water and let it come to a boil. And wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna, right guys, I'm gonna have to go now because I really want to have this now. So enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give our channel a like and a subscribe and share our channels with everyone. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.